Steelmama specializes in the development of roll-forming machines, manual feed shears, effortless cutting in a single operation. This machine uses chromium coatings to enhance roller longevity and precision. Hydraulic drive, automatic positioning and cutting. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size, and cut the target product, integrating two production lines into one compact unit. It eliminates the need for multiple dedicated machines, significantly reducing both investment costs and factory footprint. Steelmama always give you proper solution.